checking is done. Team 14 on the run. I am now calling out Team 60 to 20 to check in your rating card ID and rating your card for inspection. This will be required. Standby. Team 21 to 25. Please coordinate for checking. Thank you. Team 16 to 20, please call them back for checking and inspection. Please bring your ID